class. Good job repeating me. Thank you for being in ready position with your feet flat on the floor, your hands on your desk, and listening to the teacher. So yesterday we learned how to count up to 15, starting at some number. So let's see how much you remember about those skills. So starting at this number, let's go ahead and count up to 15. Can you count up to 15? Starting at 5. Ready? Go ahead.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Nice job, getting all the way up to 15. Let's go ahead and do this next one, starting at 1. Will you go ahead and do that?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Nice work. And with 4, go ahead.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Looks like you remember those skills just perfectly. So today, we're going to go ahead and increase that number just a little bit. We're going to start again at some number, and we're going to count up to 25 instead. So let's say I have this coin. What kind of coin is this, Jesse?
It's a quarter.
It's a quarter. And how many cents are in a quarter?
25.
There are 25 cents in 1 quarter. And what is this coin, Jesse?
A penny.
A penny. How many cents are in a penny?
1.
There's 1 cent in a penny. So how many pennies go into this quarter?
25.
25. There are 25 pennies in 1 quarter. So today we're going to start at some number and count up to 25. What are we going to learn today?
To start at some number and count to 25.
Right. Today we're going to start at some number and count up to 25. All right. First, when I'm counting up to 25, I'm going to follow 4 easy steps. You can see I've listed them out right here. So let's go ahead and pick a number. I'm going to do this number. Number 7. So my first step, I listen and look at the number. What do I do for the first step?
Listen and look at the number.
Nice job. I listen and look at the number. So I look at the number, and I'm going to say it out loud. It's 7. So I looked at the number, listened to it. What number is it?
7.
Nice work. So for my next step, I'm going to match the number of pennies. What am I going to do for my second step?
Match the number of pennies.
Great job. So I have a 7 up here. So I'm going to go ahead and get my 7 pennies. How many pennies did I get?
7.
Nice work. All right, for step 3, I'm going to count up to 25. What do I do for step 3?
Count to 25.
Count up to 25. So I'm going to go ahead and finish counting up to 25. So we had 7, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many pennies did I end up with in the end?
25.
Nice work. Ended up with 25. So the last step, I'm going to count again, but without the pennies. So what am I going to do for my fourth step?
Count again without the pennies.
Nice work. So if I'm starting at 7, I'm going to go ahead and count up to 25 without the pennies. So see, starting at 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. What number did I get up to at the end?
25.
Nice work. All right, so now that I've done it, I want you guys to try it a little bit on your own, all right? So I'm going to write a number up there. And Jesse, what do we do for step number 1?
Listen and look at the number.
Good work. And I'm going to say the number, and then you're going to tell me what number I said. The number is 4. What number is it?
4.
Nice work. All right, can you go ahead and tell me what step number 2 is?
Match the number of pennies.
Right. So you have the pennies on your board, on your table. So why don't you go ahead and match the number of pennies. How many pennies did you match?
4.
Nice work. All right, what is step number 3, Jesse?
Count up to 25.
All right, we're going to count up to 25. So can everyone in the class go ahead and count up the pennies to 25, starting from the number of pennies you have on your desk? All right, how many did you count to?
25.
25. All right, and class, what's the last step?
Count again without pennies.
Good work. So class, can you go ahead and count again without pennies? Starting from 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Nice work. And how many pennies did we end up with in the end, class?
25.
Nice work. All right, so now I'm gonna call on a few of you on your own. See if you guys can figure this out. All right, so we're gonna have a new number up here. All right, Jesse, can you go ahead and tell me what the first step is?
Listen and look at the number.
Nice work. All right, Jesse, can you go ahead and tell me what the number is?
10.
Good job. All right, Jesse, can you go ahead and tell me what step number 2 is?
Match the number of pennies.
Nice work. And can you go ahead and do that on your desk for me? And how many pennies did you put up there?
10.
Nice work. Okay, can you go ahead and tell me what step number 3 is?
Count up to 25.
Good work. All right, so can you go ahead and do that on your desk for me? And how many pennies do you have on your desk now?
25.
Nice work. All right, and step number 4, can you tell me what it is, Jesse?
Count again without pennies.
All right, can you go ahead and do the 4th step for me?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
All right, class, how many pennies do we have altogether?
25.
Nice work. In this portion, because the individual written performance can't really write, that is just inclusive in the previous sections. All right, man, you guys are doing a fantastic job at counting up to 25. Now I'm going to walk around the room and ask you guys, starting from some random number, to count all the way up to 25. All right, so Jesse, I'm going to start at the number 8. Can you count up to 25 for me? Go ahead.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Nice work. All right. So today we learned how to count to 25 starting at some number. Class, what did we learn to do today?
To start at some number and count to 25.
Nice job remembering. All right, you all did a fantastic job. Thank you for following directions, making sure you are always in ready position, listening to the teacher. Tomorrow, we are going to start a new unit, and we will be looking at addition